Hello friend, welcome to you all in my channel. Today I am going to solve the sum problem of transformation angle of trigonometric ratios. Here I have written this question: 1 minus cos A plus cos B minus cos A plus B divided by 1 plus cos A minus cos B minus cos A plus B. We have to prove that equal to tan A by 2 multiplied with cot B by 2. Okay, so taking left hand side 1 minus cos A. Here we use the formula of 1 minus cos A directly. Here cos A we have multiple angle. Remember that cos 2A is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A, or 2 sin square A equal to 1 minus cos 2A. We have 2 sin square. This implied 2 sin square A by 2 equal to 1 minus cos A. Yes, this is the formula of submultiple angle. Directly we can use, or we can use cos A equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A by 2, or directly we can use 1 minus cos A equal to 2 sin square A by 2. So this equal to 2 sin square A by 2 plus, here we can use cos C minus cos D. Remember, it is C and this is D. Cos C minus cos D, that is 2 into sin B plus A plus B by 2. We have the formula cos C minus cos D, 2 into sin C plus D by 2 into sin D minus C by 2, that is sin D. D is A plus B minus B divided by 2. Okay, so upon here also 1 plus cos A. 1 plus cos A equal to 2 cos square A by 2. Here we can write 2 cos square A by 2 minus, here we take out minus common. So here remaining cos B plus cos A plus B. Here also we use cos C plus cos D. This equal to 2 sin square, here minus B plus B cancel out. We can take 2 also common, 2 sin A by 2 common. Here remaining sin A by 2 plus sin A plus 2B divided by 2 upon, here use the formula cos C plus cos D. Here 2 cos square A by 2 minus, here use the formula cos C plus cos D, 2 cos square A by 2 minus, we have the formula cos C plus cos D, 2 into cos C plus D by 2, that is B plus A plus B by 2, cos C plus D by 2 into cos C minus D by 2. C, replace C by B and D by A plus B, that is B minus A minus B by 2. Here cos B minus B cancel out. Here remaining cos minus A by 2. We have formula cos minus theta. This equal to cos theta. Simply cos theta here. So 2 sin A by 2 sin A by 2 plus sin A plus 2B by 2 whole upon 2 cos A by 2 common out, 2 cos A by 2 here common. Here is remaining cos A by 2 minus, here cos A plus 2B by 2. Now here 2 sin A by 2 cos A by 2, that will be tan A by 2. We need tan A by 2 in RHS. So here we have got tan A by 2. Now remaining sin A by 2 plus sin. Here we can use the formula of sin C plus sin D. Remember, A by 2 is C and A plus 2B by 2 is D. So we can use the formula of sin C plus sin D, that is we have formula sin C plus sin D, that is 2 into sin C plus D by 2, that is A by 2 plus a plus 2b by 2. It is c, it is d, and by 2, again by 2 there. 2 into sine c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. Cos c is a by 2. A by 2 minus, here minus a by 2 minus 2b by 2 upon again 2. This is our formula, sin c plus sin d. Again in denominator also we can use cos c minus cos d. We have the formula cos c minus cos d. This is equal to 2 into sin c plus d by 2 multiplied with sin d minus c by 2. So here we apply the formula of cos c minus cos d. We get 2 into sin c plus d by 2, that is a by 2 plus a plus 2b by 2 upon 2. 2 into sin c plus d by 2 into sin, again sin d minus c, here is d, a plus 2b by 2 minus a by 2 divided by 2. We get here 10a by 2, this 2 here 10a by 2. Remember here the a by 2 plus a plus 2b by 2, here also a by 2 plus a plus 2b by 2 divided by 2. These two are same. We can cos minus, that is cos b by 2, cos b by 2 upon here minus a by 2 plus a by 2 cancel out, there remaining sin b by 2. Yes, this is equal to, we get 10a by 2 into cos by sin cot b by 2 to right hand side. And here right hand side is more complicated than this left hand side. Either we can take right hand side or left hand side, but while you take right hand side it will be more easier. Here I will show you two methods, by taking left hand side and by taking right hand side. Which idea you feel easier, then you can follow that idea. Okay, so first of all I am going to prove it by taking left hand side. Okay, left hand side, taking left hand side cos square theta multiplied with sin cube theta. This equal to, here we can write sin theta multiply with sin theta cos theta whole square. Now remember the formula of sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So here we can write sin theta, here 2 sin theta cos theta whole square divided by 4, because 2 square will be 4 and 4 and 4 will be cancel out. So we can write 2 square by 4 here, because we can use the formula here sin 2 theta. We have sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. So here we can write sin 2 theta, then here is the square, so sin square 2 theta. Now again here sin theta divided by 4 multiply with, we have sin 2 sin square theta, 2 sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. So here sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So we can write sin square 2 theta equal to 1 minus cos 4 theta divided by 2. So applying here sin square 2 theta mean 1 minus cos 4 theta divided by 2. Yes, this is equal to, here multiply, we have to multiply numerator and denominator. That is, we get 1 by 8, 4 2s are 8, 1 by multiply 1 minus cos 4 theta by sin theta, we get sin theta minus sin theta cos 4 theta. Yes, this is equal to 1 by 8. Here multiply numerator and denominator by 2, because we need here 2 sin theta. So I multiplied this term by 2, that is 2 sin theta minus 2 sin theta cos 4 theta. When I multiplied numerator by 2, then we have to divide by 2 in denominator by 2. This is equal to our 1 by 16 2 sin theta 2 sin theta minus here 2 sin A cos B. So here 2 sin A cos B, this is, remember this is 2 sin A cos B. We have the formula 2 sin A cos B. 2 sin A cos B. Transformation of product into sum or difference. Use that formula. 2 sin A cos B means we have sin A plus B, sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. So to 2 sin A cos B. So apply this formula here, minus 2 sin A cos B, sin A plus B, that is sin theta plus 4 theta, plus sin A minus B, that is sin theta minus 4 theta. Yes, this equal to or become 1 by 16, 2 sin theta, open the bracket here, sin 5 theta minus sin 5 theta, here becomes sin minus 3 theta, sin minus 3 theta, this is equal to minus sin 3 theta. This is our formula, sin minus theta equal to minus sin theta. So here is also minus, minus multiply minus plus, that become plus sin 3 theta, plus sin 3 theta. This is equal to right hand side proof. Now I am going to prove it by taking RHS. From RHS I show left hand side. Okay, so here the formula of sin C minus sin D, that is 2 into cos C plus D by 2, that is 3 plus 5 theta divided by 2 into sin C minus D by 2, 3 theta minus 5 theta divided by 2. Now this is equal to 1 by 16, 2 sin theta plus 2 into cos here 4 theta, cos 4 theta into here sin minus theta. We get here 3 theta minus 5 theta minus 2 theta, minus 2 theta divided by 2 is minus theta. Now this is equal to 1 by 16, 2 sin theta. Here we can take, here we use the formula sin minus theta equal to minus sin theta, sin minus theta equal to minus sin theta. So I take minus here, minus 2 cos 4 theta sin theta. Now this is equal to 1 by 16, 2 sin theta is common here, 2 sin theta from these two terms, 2 sin theta is common. So here remaining 1 minus cos 4 theta, 1 minus cos 4 theta. Yes, this is equal to, this cancel out, 1 by 8 sin theta. Now here we can use the formula directly. We can use the formula 1 minus, we have 2 sin square theta, equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. So here 1 minus cos 4 theta, becomes 2 sin square 2 theta. Here half of 2 theta is theta here, half of 4 theta is 2 theta. So directly we can use 1 minus cos 4 theta equal to 2 sin square 2 theta. So here 2 sin square 2 theta. This equal to 2 4s are 8, 1 by 4 sin theta into sin square 2 theta, that is sin 2 theta whole square. We have sin square theta means sin theta is square. So here sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So 2 sin theta cos theta is square. This is equal to 1 by 4 sin theta, 2 square is 4 into 4 sin square theta cos square theta. This 4 cancel out or becomes sin cube theta into cos square theta. We get is our left hand, hence proof. 2 beta plus 2 minus 2 cos 4 beta. We can arrange the term like this so that we can use the formula here, cos C minus cos D. So 1 by 32, we have the formula cos C minus cos D, 2 into sin C plus D by 2. Remember 6 beta is C and 2 beta is D. So we can write 2 sin C plus D by 2. 6 beta plus 2 beta divided by 2 into sin d minus c by 2. D mean here 2 beta. 2 beta minus 6 beta by 2. Here we can take 2 common. Here remaining 1 minus cos 4 beta. Cos 4 beta. Yes. Okay. So this equal to 1 by 32. 1 by 32. Here 2 sine 4 beta. 2 sine 4 beta into sine, here remaining minus 4 beta. Minus 4 beta divided by 2 will be minus 2 beta. Here will be minus 2 beta. So sine minus 2 beta plus 2 into, here we can use 1 minus cos 4 beta equal to, that is 1 minus cos 4 beta mean 2 sine square 2 beta. 2 sine square 2 beta. This is equal to 1 by 32 minus sine minus theta mean minus sine theta. So here I can write minus 2 sine 4 beta minus 2 sine 4 beta sine 2 beta, yes, plus 4 sine square 2 beta. Of sine 2 beta is common. 2 sine 2 beta is common. Here remaining 2 sine 2 beta. 2 sine 2 beta. Here minus sine 2 common. Sine 2 beta common. Here remaining minus sine 4 beta. Minus sine 4 beta. This equal to this. We can cancel out 1 by 16. 1 by 16 sine 2 beta. Here 2 sine 2 beta minus sine 4 beta mean sine 2 into 2 beta. Here we have sine 4 beta. This equal to sine 2 into 2 beta. This is equal to 2 sine 2 beta. 2 sine 2 beta cos 2 beta. Direct we can write here sine 4 beta is 2 sine 2 beta cos 2 beta. 2 sine 2 beta cos 2 beta. This is equal to 1 by 16. Sine 2 beta is 2 sine beta. 2 sine beta cos beta. Here also 2 sine 2 beta again common. 2 sine 2 beta common. 2 sine 2 beta. Here remaining 1 minus cos 2 beta. 1 by, here 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 sine beta cos beta. Here sine 2 beta, apply the formula of sine 2 beta, that is 2 sine beta cos beta. 2 sine beta cos beta. 1 minus cos 2 beta become 2 sine square beta, that is 2 sine square beta equal to sine power 4 beta and the cos square beta. We get 2 into cos c plus d by 2, that is theta plus beta by 2. 2 into cos c plus d by 2 into sine theta minus beta by 2. This square plus, here also cos c plus cos d. Remember the formula of cos c plus cos d, that is 2 into cos theta plus beta by 2 into cos theta minus beta by 2, this square, whole square. Yes, this is equal to 2 square is 4 cos square theta plus beta by 2 into here sine square theta minus beta by 2 plus here 2 square is also 4. This is equal to, here we can take out the common 4 cos square theta plus beta by 2. Here also 4 cos square theta plus beta by 2, that can be taken out as a common, that is 4 cos square theta plus beta by 2 common. Here remaining what? Sine square theta minus beta by 2 plus, here this is equal to 4 cos square theta plus beta by 2 into here sin square. Remember it is a theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta will be 1. So it's our right hand side proof. So 4 cos square theta plus beta by 2 multiply with 1 will be 4 cos square theta plus beta by 2, which is our right hand side proof. Okay, taking left hand side, remember the formula of cos square theta. We have cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. This implies 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2 equal to cos square theta. While removing the square, we use this formula 1 plus cos 2 theta divided by 2. So here I can write cos square a plus 120 equal to 1 plus cos 2. Remember it is theta, that is 1 plus cos 2 into a plus 120 degree divided by 2, plus here also same formula 1 plus cos 2 into a minus 120 divided by 2. Now this equal to 1 plus cos 2 into a 2a plus here 2 into 120 equal to 240, that is 240 plus 1 plus here also cos 2a minus 240 degree plus 1 plus cos 2a divided by 2, that is 2 is our LCM. 2 is LCM. So this is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 we get 3. We need 3 by 2. We have to show this term equal to 0. That is we have already got here 3 by 2. Okay. So 3 plus here cos 2a plus this is equal to 3 plus here remember this is a and this b, that is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. We have the formula cos 2 cos a cos b, transformation angle here product into sum, that is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is 2 cos a cos b here. So 2 cos a cos b, that is 240 degree plus here cos a plus b plus cos a minus b, that is 2 cos a cos b. Here a is replaced by 2a and b is replaced by 240 and the remaining is here cos 2a divided by 2. Now here 3 plus 2 into cos 2a, this 240 cos 240 is minus 1 by 2 because this 240 degree is our standard angle, its value will be minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus cos 2a divided by 2. Here these 2 cancel out, our become cos 2a into minus 1. Cos 2a into minus 1 is minus cos 2a, that is minus cos 2a plus cos 2a divided by 2. This cancel out, our 3 by 2 remaining, so which is equal to right hand side. Thanks for watching my video. See you again next video. Thank you. Bye bye.